Hi guys.
There, so we can verify when we actually add it to the multisig.
Okay, let me do that now, and then where's Discord?
Hey Lakshman, hey Sam, how are you guys?
Hey everyone.
How's everyone?
Hey, how's it going?
Right.
That is. Alon, you're a Funko Pop collector?
Well, it's a long story. When we got into the office, around one of the guys, he collects them like crazy, and so he decided that decorating my office with his toy dolls is a great idea, and so we ended up buying this entire wall, and it just sits there. I have no idea what it does, but it's pretty cool.
Like, love it. It's a good conversation starter for Zoom calls. Like,
yeah. Awesome. Preston, hi. Are we all here? Everyone can hear me?
Yes, hello.
Perfect. So the guys recording, record away whenever you're ready. Perfect. We'll record this session and we'll upload that probably today or tomorrow. I just wanted to take the pressure of live streaming it, especially the first time. So thank you all for joining. Thank you all for being part of what we're trying to build and do. This means a lot. You are basically the gatekeepers. So it was really important for me to kind of get this call going and do everything together the first time, set everything up, and actually do the first thing, which is also mint the token and give people the chance to convert to it. And so I've made a really short presentation just to structure everything. I'll share my screen. Let me know once you see it. Yep. Cool. So, of course, this is kind of the first call we're doing, and the agenda is pretty straightforward. We'll start with just everyone kind of in a few words who you are, although I think most people know who you are. We'll start with a setup, and we'll do a small test, and we'll finish up with minting the actual tokens and putting them in the contract, and that's about it. Should be pretty straightforward. So kind of to maybe refresh everyone, we had two proposals pass. I think it was a week or two ago. The first one is this very committee, and the second one was the conversion to the SSV token. So we'll execute both of them. In terms of the committee members, so I'm Alan from Block Staking. And we'll start the CEO of Block Staking, and we'll start from the top. So Lakshman, take it away.
Yeah, my name is Lakshman. I work at the Ethereum Foundation and a bunch of stuff, a lot of protocol related things, and yeah, excited to see SSV come to fruition.
Perfect. Peter.
Hello.
We can hear you, Peter. Okay, we'll circle back. Preston?
Hello, hey guys, I'm Preston Van Loon, one of the founding members at Prismatic Labs. And at Prismatic Labs, we're helping build critical infrastructure tooling for the next iteration of Ethereum, that being the Beacon Chain client, Prism. So happy to be here.
Thanks for being here. Peter, do you...
Does it work now?
Yeah, perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. So I'm Peter, I'm the CEO of Bitfly. We're the team behind the Beacon Chain Explorer, and we're really excited to see what the SSV network is coming to life, and are happy to be a part of it.
Thank you for being here. Thorsten, aka Yurik.
Yeah, Thorsten Behrens, co-founder at Crypto Manufacture. We are an infrastructure play on the blockchain, currently Chainlink and SSV testnet.
Awesome. Amazing. Thank you for being here. Sam?
Hey guys, Sam Clarkson here from Sneaky VC. which is a growing crypto anon fund that's growing over the course of the last 7 months in the space, and happy to be a part of this thing.
Awesome, thanks for being here. And that's the kind of the Genesis committee. So we are six of us. Threshold will be 4 out of 6. And I guess let's get started with why we kind of got here. So we'll start with setting up the, I'll stop my screen sharing. We'll start with the actual setup. We have all the 6 addresses. What we'll do is we'll go one by one, and we'll try to verify both from your end, but also what you guys wrote here. And I'll share my screen. You'll also see what I'm inputting into the Gnosis wallet. Just kind of, a few eyes just to make sure the actual addresses are correct and we didn't miss anything. And so let me share my screen with you all. Perfect. Let me know if you can see that.
I'll get on my end.
Perfect. So what we have here is, if I'll go to settings and I'll go to the current owners, 656 DC and ends up with 93BB is the Blocks wallet, which currently is the only signer. What we'll do is we'll add one by one. I'll set it up until we add everyone to one signer threshold, just because it will be quicker. Otherwise, we'll have to verify each one with a threshold. And once the entire 6 signers are in, we'll set it up in policies as 4 out of 6. So let's get started. I'm stopping my share just to bring up my ledger live. Just a quick question. Everyone has the account they hold within metamask or any other kind of Gnosis safe supported web extensions?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So let me just set it up real quick. Perfect. Okay, so I'm connecting my metamask. All right, you can all see my screen again, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect. So I'll start because we are already one of the signers. Peter, I'll start with you. Your account starts with 1806C and ends up with 808E3.
That's correct.
Perfect. I'll put Bitfly here.
Yeah.
Right, again, so 1806, 808E3, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah, okay, so it does give me 1 out of 2. Okay, and review. Adding Bitfly, this one set before at 808E3, and I'll submit it. Change the gas fee so we can have some. All right, just confirming it on my end. 2 seconds. Perfect, confirmed, and you should see it here in a few seconds. Okay, cool. So Peter, this is yours, right? Same address as before.
Yes.
Perfect, let's move on. So the next one is Sam. So yours is 5BD10 and ends with F38331.
Correct.
Again, same thing. 5BD1 ends with F38331.
All good.
Perfect. 1 out of 3. Perfect. Confirming. All right. Quick. All right. Next one. Lakshman, yours starts with 186FA and ends with B8C83.
That's right.
Well, again, 186FA and ends with B8C83. Yeah, is that one? Is that the one?
Yeah.
All right, confirming. It was too obvious. It will take time when we're adding one of the EF guys. All right. should be confirmed. All right. Next one, Preston, yours starts with F71E and ends with 6B8A55.
Yep, that's right.
Again, F71E9 and ends with B8A55.
Yeah, that's correct.
Hopefully it will be shorter. Confirmed. All right. Thorsten, you're the last one.
All right.
So yours starts with ECBB0 and ends with 2F536F.
Yes.
Again, ECBB0 and ends with 2F536F.
Yep. Correct.
All right, that finished as well. Let's wait. Cool. So we have all the 6. Take a 30 seconds just to go over your address, just to make sure that everything's okay. And the next step will be thresholds. Okay, cool. Just again, making sure all of the addresses are reachable or set up on MetaMask, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So the next thing is to change the threshold, and this is the most exciting part. Basically, 4 out of 6 of us could sign any transaction, and so I'll give it a go. Lakshman, I wanted to do exactly that. So I've sent in the chat the link for the Gnosis safe. It has, of course, its address as well. What I wanted to do is, if you guys can open it up, and let's just confirm everyone sees the same, in case mine's is wrong for some reason. So under owners, you'll see exactly what you see in the screen share, and in a second, the policies for the 4 signers will be the same as well.
I see the owners, but the names aren't there. I don't know if it's a Gnosis
Oh, yeah.
or whatever, but all the addresses are the same.
I think that it might not be the actual part of the contract. Maybe it puts it in IPFS or something. Everyone else see the same, just the addresses, but without names?
Yeah, I see them without names as well.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same for me.
If you want, I don't know if you can give it, yeah, I think maybe you can give it a name. So if you want, I can take a screenshot and I'll send it to you if you want to. If you want to put anything on yours, you have the file in the chat. I've sent it in the chat. Right, and under policies, everyone see 4 out of 6, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Cool. So the next thing we'll do a test minting. Should be pretty simple. So if you'll open up the chat again, I've sent the proposal for the token upgrade, and you'll have the addresses there. So the address for the token contract is 9D65F and ends up with 17F54. And basically what I do now is I'll create simple minting transaction. I'll put it on, I'll make the contract mint 1 SSV token for the Multisig wallet, and it's 18 decimals precision. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm sending it for your confirmation. You'll see it in a second. So to contract 9D65F. And the data and so on. If you guys open up the transaction tab, in a few seconds, you should see, here you go. You should see the actual transaction, what we're trying to do. So we're minting 1 SSV with 18 decimal points. The 9D65F is the SSV contract. And we're waiting for 3 more confirmations. So anyone who wants to jump in.
All good on my end.
Yeah, I see your confirmation.
I also signed.
Yeah, Peter as well.
Mine's being
Let's
difficult.
yeah, let's everyone sign just to make sure everything's working. Preston as well. I don't know if it will show everyone.
You're saying I came in because
Yeah, I see you signed.
okay, then I'm not gonna sign it again.
Oh, Thurston, I didn't see you just yet, and Lakshman not as well. I don't know if it shows more than 4 signatures, but you guys did the whole process.
Yeah, I just submitted a transaction, but maybe it doesn't show it on this UI.
Sign the transaction. Okay.
Okay, so execute basically means we're actually sending a transaction out after you guys approved.
The weird part is I don't see this showing up in my ledger, so I'm not sure what's going on.
Yeah, because you only sign it. It's not, you don't do the transaction. You have 4 out of 6 signatures. Once it collects them, then anyone can basically execute, and that's what I'm doing now.
Okay, got it.
Cool. Right. Confirming. All right. Confirmed. We should see it in a second. Yep, I think that's about it. Let's finish. All right. Cool. We had one before because we did a test. Another one just now. Cool. Everyone is happy and comfortable?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So basically, the last thing we'll do is actually mint 10 million SSV tokens and put them in the contract. So again, if you refer back to what I've added to the chat, this is the token upgrade contract. And so the SSV contract is 9D65F, and the actual upgrade contract is 2BF73 and ends with A735E. And we'll directly mint all the tokens there. It doesn't pass through the to the actual Multisig wallet. It directly mints to there. If I'll go to Etherscan now, should have 1 or 2. Right, so it has 0.89 SSV tokens from the test we did, and so after our minting, it should have 10 million and 0.89. So if everyone is ready, let's start. We'll do the same basic thing again. So we're putting in the contract interaction the SSV contract, and we are asking it to mint, and we're putting the upgrade contract and asking which is 2BF73 A735E. That's from the proposal itself, and we're asking to mint 10 million. So that's the 10 million and 18 decimals. Making sure, and 10 million. Cool. So I'm reviewing the amount, 2BF73, 2BF73, and A735E, A735E. Perfect. So minting, you should see, oh, here we go. This is the transaction again. We're minting to 2BF7 and ends with 73FE, 5E, sorry, and 10 million SSV tokens. Feel free to execute. All right, we have all the confirmations. Preston, you confirmed as well?
I did not. I think it will have me execute. I'm happy to do that though.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'll execute. That's fine. We have the 4 confirmations. Perfect. I'm executing it. All right, cool. So we have the 10 million. Just confirming again. 2BF73, 2BF73, and ends up with A735E, A735E, and we have the 10 million SSV tokens. Awesome. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
It was long but exciting. Amazing. Cool. So just to wrap things up, I'll just wrap things up again. A lot of thank you for participating and taking part It's really important for me, the project and everyone. I think that's a great committee to start with. And yeah, I mean, we'll reconvene the next time we have a few proposals. We'll obviously batch them to not bother anyone too much, but we'll basically have a few, once we have a few proposals up and running and voted on, we can execute them if they're required to. And we'll reconvene the next time. Of course, we'll communicate. And that's it. I mean, we recorded the session. It's a bit long, but we wanted just to people to be able to see that if they want to. Probably upload it in the next few days, and also the token upgrade will upload. Well, it is already live, but the website with the UI will upload in a few days. And that's about it.
That's great. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, guys. If
Happy to be here.
there's no more questions, we'll wrap it up.
Yep. All good.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Bye.
much. Bye.
Thanks a lot, everyone.
Bye-bye.